Need a website to open a payment window, download page, or sign-in pop-up in Chrome? In this guide, I'll show you how to enable pop-ups in Google Chrome, either for every website or only for a site you trust. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu, then choose Settings. On the Settings page, look at the menu on the left and select Privacy and Security. Next, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome controls permissions such as notifications, camera access, downloads, and pop-ups. Scroll down to the Content section and select Pop-ups and Redirects. By default, Chrome blocks pop-ups and redirects on most websites. To allow them everywhere, select the option that says sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Once this option is selected, Chrome will allow pop-ups from all websites. Keep in mind that this can also allow unwanted pop-ups, so it is usually better to allow only the specific website you need. To allow pop-ups for just one website, stay on the same page and scroll down to the section labeled Allowed to Send Pop-ups and Use Redirects. Click Add, type or paste the website address, and then click Add again. Make sure you enter the correct site address, especially if you are using a banking, school, work, or payment website. If Chrome blocks a pop-up while you are already on a website, you can allow it directly from the address bar. Look for the blocked pop-up icon near the right side of the address bar. Click that icon, choose the option to always allow pop-ups and redirects from this site, then click Done. Reload the page and the pop-up should open normally. If you want to block pop-ups from that site again later, return to Chrome Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and Pop-ups and Redirects. Under the Allowed list, click the three-dot menu beside the website and choose Remove, and that's it. You can now enable pop-ups in Chrome for every site, or, keep things safer by allowing them only for websites you trust. If the pop-up still does not appear, refresh the page and check whether an extension or security app is blocking it.